Samsung is revolutionizing the Galaxy series with a bold new design for the S25 Ultra. Say goodbye to sharp edges and hello to a more comfortable, rounded grip, confirmed by reliable leaker iUniverse. First up, let's talk about the design. The S25 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a sleek and durable design that fits perfectly in your hand. The new asymmetrical middle frame adds a touch of style and ergonomics, making it a joy to hold and use. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra packs a punch with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, 12GB of RAM, and up to 512GB of storage. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this phone delivers lightning-fast performance and seamless switching between apps. Now, let's talk about the camera. The S25 Ultra features a quad-camera setup with a 50MP primary sensor, 12MP front camera, and support for 8K video recording. Capture stunning photos and videos with ease, and enjoy advanced features like optical zoom and portrait mode. The S25 Ultra comes with a large 5000 mAh battery and supports fast charging up to 45W. Enjoy all-day battery life and quick top-ups when you need them. The asymmetrical middle frame is not only stylish but also functional, improving the phone's overall ergonomics. And the best part? The S25 Ultra might just slim down those bezels to match the sleekness of the S24. Enjoy a seamless viewing experience with the flat screen display, now thinner than ever at 8.4mm. The countdown to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has begun. Despite being months away, the rumors are swirling and we've got the inside scoop. Get ready for a powerhouse performance with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor from Qualcomm. But that's not all, the camera is getting a major boost. Say goodbye to mediocre zoom and hello to crystal clear images with the upgraded 50MP ultrawide and 3x telephoto lenses. And the Plus model? Well, that's still a mystery, but we're on the case. The suspense is building. As the release date approaches, get ready for a flood of new leaks and updates. While we don't have the full picture yet, one thing is certain, Samsung is putting comfort front and center. Stay glued to our channel, Touch Trove, for the latest scoops, reviews, and expert insights. We'll keep you ahead of the curve so you can make the most of your next smartphone upgrade. Subscribe now.